So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you online softwares that can help you to make background music. So let's get started. And a very special software at the last, so watch the video till the end. So first we have SoundMaker. So as you can see, go to the first link that is provided. So this is the main editor where can you make your own background music. So now let's play it. So that's how you can create your own music using this software. So let's move to the next one. So next we have Beatbox. This is also an online music editing software, and it is also free. So let me show a demo for this one. Works, and it is a bit more efficient than the previous one. So this is Beatbox, and I put the link to it in the description below, so please check it out it also. So last one we have, it is a very special video editing music editing software. So it is Ecreate music. I will put the link to it in the description below. So this is the link for the main website. So in this website you can customize your background music, but you can also give commands to AI that can create a music for you. So as you can see, you can use it for game dev, videos and postcard, license for all, simple UI and royal free. So it is a very good online music creator. So from here you can define what scene you want. So I choose here adventure, and mode I want it dark. Now click here on create music, and then AI will create your own music. So after a while you can see the AI is created a music for us. So here is an example how can you create music by using this software. So if you like this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I will keep making videos like this.